All right, so definition of derivative. I'm just going to do another example. The equation is, or yeah, the question is, example is, find equation of line tangent to the curve at x equals 1 of, I'll just do x squared minus 4. Alright, so we're trying to find graphically, here's what we're doing. We got a parabola, x squared minus 4, looks like this, and at x equals 1, we're at negative 3 right here. We're looking to find the equation of this line right there, the green line. That's our answer. So our answer is going to be y equals mx plus b, whatever that is. So it should have a positive slope, it should have a negative y-intercept, but we're looking for the equation of that green line. Okay. The first thing you need to do to find the equation of line is you need to know its slope. So to find the slope of x squared minus 4, we need to find its derivative. Okay, we need to find its slope, which is its derivative. And the definition of derivative is plus h minus f of x over h. The limit is h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is find f of x plus h. Well, that's x plus h squared minus 4. That is f of x plus h. We put x plus h in for x. Right there. Okay, minus f of x. Well, f of x is just x squared minus 4. So we have f of x plus h minus f of x over h as h goes to 0. That's going to give us our derivative. So we do some algebra, we FOIL it. Distribute, and limit as h is going to 0. Some common factor, well, terms, x squareds are gone, the minus 4 and plus 4 are gone. So I'm left with 2hx plus h squared over h. I can factor out an h. Now I can divide out an h. So I have 2x plus h, what I have left. And remember, h is going to 0, so this can go to 0, so I have 2x. Our derivative is 2x. Derivative is 2x. Okay? So now, we want to know what is the slope at x equals 1. We want to know what the slope is at 1. So we can plug it into our derivative, and we get 2. Okay, the slope is 2, and it's a coincidence that it's 2x. That's not always going to give you the slope here, like 2x. So, for instance, if I asked you what's the slope at x equals 3, it would be 6. Because if this is my derivative, you plug 3 in, you get 6. If I plug 0 in, it's 0. And it makes sense because my parabola at 0 up here is flat. Okay, at 0 I have a horizontal tangent. Okay, it hits it only one spot and it's straight across. So what we got is our slope of 2. Y equals mx plus b. My m is 2. My x is 1, and we don't know what our y is, so we need to know what's the y value there, so you could plug 1 in to our original equation, and we get 3, or sorry, negative 3. So plug 1 in for x, I get negative 3. So my y, this ordered pair right there, is 1 comma negative 3. So with our slope and our ordered pair, we can solve. So b is negative 5. So the equation of the green line is y equals 2x minus 5. Seems like a reasonable answer. Y equals 2x minus 5.